All right, now we're going to get into square roots. So this symbol over here, that kind of looks like a division symbol, that is the square root symbol. So here we have the square root of 100. And in plain English, that's just asking what number times itself is equal to 100. So at this point along the series of videos, you should know your multiplication facts really well and know that 10 is the square root of 100 because 10 times 10, right, 10 times itself is 100. So square roots have actually two answers. It's the positive version of the answer or version of the number, and then the negative one. So negative 10 is also the square root of 100 because negative 10 times negative 10, right? Those negatives will cancel out and you'll get 100. So when you're dealing with square roots, you're always going to have plus or minus your answer, the positive version and the negative version. So the square root of 100 is plus or minus 10. So we're not going to worry too much about the negative answer of a square root. If we can find the positive one, we just stick a negative sign in front of it, and that is the negative version of that square root problem. So here I got a list of all of the perfect square numbers that we talked about in the previous video. And again, I made it sound really important that you should know those, and because those are your nice, easily square rootable numbers, if you want to call it that. So square root of 1 is 1 because 1 times 1 is 1. The square root of 4 is 2 because 2 times 2 is 4. The square root of 36 is 6 because 6 times 6 is 36. So you can kind of see the pattern here. 11 times 11 is 121. So the square root of 121 is 11. So these, again, are our perfect square numbers just represented now with square roots. And then just like in the perfect square numbers video, just some extras worth knowing, right? The square root of 169 is 13 because 13 times 13 is 169. Square root of 225 is 15 because 15 times 15 is 225, and so on and so forth. So these are a couple others that are worth knowing.